guys, what's up? Today I'm trying out this makeup look by Shreya Jain. I've always been into blues, like the color blue, and I really wanted to try out makeup she did recently. It was very interesting, so I wanted to try it out and also wanted to catch you up with what's happening. I'm sorry I'm looking down, was grabbing my makeup items. I'll list all the makeup items below. I haven't changed them a lot. I mean, depends what was the last makeup video you watched of mine, because a lot has happened in the last few months, I'm sure, for all of us. Let's just get into it. I actually deactivated my Instagram, got inspired by a video, and I thought, hey, I want to try out this no Instagram life that everybody keeps talking about. And I have never actually done a detox like that. You know, you hear people talking about, oh, we're going off Instagram, off this. I've actually never fully done that. Also, how long have I been using this? This should be expired, but my skin handles it, so I'm using it. So I thought, let's see this no Instagram life, which I'm gonna be honest, was life-changing. At first was also difficult. I didn't think that I was as addicted to Instagram as I realized I was. Also, I have picked up a lot of yellow. I was not supposed to use so much, so we're gonna try to cover this up. My skin will be looking even toned AF after this. The foundation application is a bit painful because this April Skin foundation is not my color. It's like one shade too light. Same story with all East Asian companies. So I'm gonna come back when I'm doing my bronzer. I just finished my LA Girl concealer and I cut out some of it to take out the excess. This is how much I still have left. Can you believe it? We waste all that product. This is not easy, by the way, talking while doing makeup. That was difficult. In the first few days I felt very alone. You know, as you say, oh, social media doesn't really bring you together. I did feel very alone. I felt alone in my thoughts, that I had nobody to share them to, because I was very used to sharing everything. And this is gonna be like a repeat telecast for some people who watched the mukbang I did on my vlog channel. I've actually done a nice chit chat session where I shared my honest how my solo lockdown has been, how this entire period has been for me, to share with you guys, to be honest with you all. I feel like that was long overdue. Okay, I've put this brightening powder under my eyes and I'm gonna do it on at the T-zone, not my forehead though. I don't know why my forehead is weirdly dry. I really don't remember how this conversation started. Oh my god, that's a problem. Yeah, so on Instagram I was doing this thing where I was following all my beauty blogger friends, like I was copying their makeup looks, because I was trying to get back into like the artistic makeup game, because I was bored and it's actually fun. Like, I enjoy makeup, so I thought, let's get back into it, and it was really fun. Then I did copied my friends makeup looks, then I copied some beauty bloggers makeup looks, and it was really fun. But then with the whole Instagram hiatus thing, I had to stop, and I was missing it today. And I was missing you guys, being able to talk to you guys. Honestly, I wish this video could have just been a live, but me and my lives are such that I can never plan them. I don't really plan lives, and people usually do lives when it's like Saval Saturday or whatever. I don't have anything like that, and doing something like that feels like I'll be copying their idea. I don't know when to do a live, how to host it, and then every time I'm planning to host a live, I'm like, what if they're not free? Or what if they're too free? Like, if I do it on a Sunday, maybe I'm not free sometime, or you are too free. I don't want to take your time away and be like, come hang out with me on Sunday, when it could be your only off day. Then if it's the weekdays, I'm like, but they're not going to be free. So I hope I didn't over contour. I used to love contouring because I felt like a Kardashian contouring my face. Isn't that all of us? By the way, I have a drink in a bag. It's so delicious. It's a green tea with aloe vera or something. Very herbal, very cool. Should I do this or do I do this? I think we're gonna go with this. I don't have that yellow, so I've been uploading more on my vlog channel now, and I really love it. So make sure to go ahead and subscribe, guys, because I know not a lot of you are there. Like, the numbers differ. So if you want, you could definitely subscribe to that. I post, like, even if I'm not posting a proper video there, I post my TikToks, because I've been really into TikTok, and I know you can't get it in India, which is such a shame, but okay, I understand the national security or whatever. But TikToks are fun, so I would usually repost my TikToks on Instagram, but then again, not all of you are on Instagram. So this is also an attempt to kind of unify all my viewers to one place, which I thought would be best, which is YouTube. So when I'm not posting, I've been out and about in Singapore so much. I've been exploring Singapore and it's been nothing less than fun. I'm really enjoying my time and exploring this country. I've been going on hikes, going on different like dog cafes and cat cafes. Now it's not allowed. We're back in phase 2, which is like stricter lockdown, but it's so fun. So make sure to just check out those vlogs. Like even if you don't want to subscribe, just check out the vlogs, because a lot of you say that, oh, you love the vlogs, you binge watch vlogs. You can do that because I've posted so many of them. But guys, I can't tell you how much I've missed talking to you all. That was the best part of doing Instagram. Like I really miss hearing from you all. So that's why on my vlog channel I was really urging you to comment. And especially I've been posting stories on this also, so I've been urging you to comment, and you listen, you actually comment, and it's so much fun to hear from you guys. I love that. So yeah, I did a day in the life video, but it was from my inner monologue, like in my thoughts, and I'm not saying, but the comments say they love that video. By the way, did any of you used to watch Trisha Paytas then stopped because there was the whole drama with them? Did you used to watch the H3 podcast? I love Trisha Paytas. Let me know if you do too. But anyway, I started feeling a bit like of a void, because you know the trends are changing, right? Doing highlighter now, Wet n Wild highlighter. So the trends are changing, we know, and I was really feeling like, dude, I really want to be a part of this fashion new trend, but I don't want to really invest a lot of money in this. So yeah, I revamped my entire wardrobe, used the pieces I already had in my wardrobe to make them relevant in the current fashion space. I don't know, bought a few pieces from that same thrift market. I wanted to do a fashion video about that, you know, but my previous fashion video didn't really do that well, so I was like, let it be. I'll tell you what happens with Instagram and me specifically. You know, people ghost, and I don't know, I just meet people who don't know how to respond in time. Bad texters, yeah, right, they are like Amazon taking 2 to 3 business days to reply, and I don't have time for those kind of people. Because okay, you know, my point with saying that is that I saw people who would not respond to my messages when I genuinely want to have a conversation with you on, say, WhatsApp. They won't reply there. They'll reply there in like 2-3 days, but then they'll be watching my stories, and I'm sure, I hope that happens with you all. I don't want to be the only one in this experience, but then they would be looking at my stories. I'm like, you're looking at my stories, dude, you can't even reply to my text. That really messed up with my head, and that just got me in a very bad place. And honestly, it's all coming from a place of love. I hope if anybody is in psychology and can tell me, actually you're messed up, let me know. Your girl loves self-development. Maybe I would post pictures of these makeup things. I want to interact with you, and I will be doing that on YouTube stories. Please make sure to check them out. They stay for I think 4-5 days, so you've got time to catch up. You don't need to daily check, because I don't want you to be addicted as well. So I hope I can interact more with you on YouTube stories, YouTube video, the comment section. I don't want to do eyeliner, because then what if the glitters get on it, and then when I'm doing makeup for my flight there's glitter on my eye. They'll be like, sorry, which airline you work for? I also forgot to share the fact that I've been watching this show called The Good Place on Netflix. It is such a good show. It's essentially a bad person gets into heaven, and I love the show, and they talk a lot about philosophy and ethics on the show, and I've been so into it. I literally borrowed 4 books from the library about it. Currently I'm reading 200 Words to Help You Talk About Philosophy. I'm also rewatching Friends, and oh my god, I came to the revelation that actually Phoebe is the best character. Hello. And Monica and Chandler are so the main couple. Like, we're already bored of Ross and Rachel. They're like pretty toxic for each other if you look at it. Also, if you want your lower lashes to pop, use a brush like this, which is super duper thin. This is again from Catrice as well. I love this brand because it's cruelty free. It's a good brand. It's vegan and everything, but the look is just not that great. Anyways, friends, who's your favorite Friends character as an adult? Let me know. I did color my hair, by the way. I don't think you can see it. It's like a brown. I did it on top of black. I didn't bleach my hair, so that's why you can't see, but in the sunlight it looks brown, and I love it, because with my job I can only do that much. So I'm chilling, you're chilling. Let's just chill together, have a conversation, and just have some fun. Yeah. Shreya Jain, would you be proud if you're watching? As if she is, but she did watch this video review of the YBP blush that she had, and she commented on it. I was like, oh. And she remembered when we met at a meetup. I was like, oh, okay, sweet girl. So let's see. My finger looks very fat in this ring. I'm gonna drink my tea out of a bag. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video, probably in this makeup, because I think it turned out pretty well. Yep. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Take care. Stay safe.